Nandiyan na po tayo naman dyan para simulan na ating actual draw. Whereby Siha, let's play small down. And we're ready.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, engage, lower.
First, winning number. Andyan po yung number 25. Number 25. At yan po, ibabalik na po natin ang number 25 para sa pangalawa. I'm ready.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, engage, lower.
Second, winning number. Andyan po yung number 40. Number 40. Kunin ko lamang po ang small town lottery winning combination. Para sa umagang ito ay 25 and 40 in exact order. Congratulations po sa mga nanalo. Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Then our winning combination for the first STL draw for July 12, 2024 certified bear panel of judges is 2540. Again, it's the number 25 and the number 40 in exact order. Congratulations.